I'm going to show you how you can connect FND speakers onto a Samsung Smart TV. Now, most models of FND speaker right now currently uses an optical out solution. There's very rare one that's using HDMI cable, so I'm going to show you the steps on how you can connect a speaker that has an optical out onto a Samsung TV. First off, you want to connect both of the sound bar or the speaker here with the optical cable. So from the optical out on the small TV into the digital audio in on the speaker there. Now, once that's done, you need to go to Samsung here and then you want to hit the home setting and then you want to tap on menu. Now on menu, you want to go to settings there. Now, once you tap on settings, you want to tap on all settings right there, all settings. Now, once you tap on all settings, you want to go to the sound section of the settings and then you want to tap on sound output. Now, once you tap on sound output, you want to pick it to be receiver optical. You can see right now I'm on the Bluetooth speaker list and there's TV speakers. TV speakers, the currently one that's been picked. We can check by the going the sound green thing now. And then you can go to receiver optical to pick on that. After that, your audio output will now be changed into the optical out, which is now your speaker. And then that's it. You're done.